Morning, guys. One more time. Well, I really wasn't expecting this 82.6, which is like compared to yesterday. I think it's like, was it 83.6 yesterday? I think so. It's like 1 kilo. It's like 2.2 pounds. The only thing I did different yesterday was I just as I said on my recap, I finished the day with 2,400 calories, and I did an additional 27 minutes of cardio, which is walking. That was it. So let's see how it goes. Today is 2,500 calories. I don't know if I will still do the cardio. I mean, but yeah, this is like pretty sudden of a change. I think this is like the plateau that I got last week, kind of like balancing itself out. Maybe tomorrow it will be a little bit higher than what we see now, but we'll see. Today is leg day, so I'm gonna have my breakfast, the regular thing, and I'll see you guys at the gym. All right. So at the gym now. Where's this thing? Hold on. All right. So I'm at the gym now. It's leg day. The machine is currently occupied, but I really want to use that. So we'll see. This is actually the leg day that I actually enjoy more than the other one. The other one is like really exhausting, so I like this one better. So we are gonna give it our all, and let's start. So another leg day is over. So I'm gonna take a short video to show you guys a sample ab workout. Someone requested that, and then I will just talk to you guys at recap. All right, peace. Hey guys, so it is recap time. As you've seen, I've lost like 1 kilo in one day. I mean, of course, like when I'm talking about it, I'm like happier compared to like when I gained like, you know, half a kilo in one day, like in the past, like last week or something. So still though, when it comes to weight fluctuations, whether it is going up or it's going down, and whether it's like extremely sudden or not, okay? We still do not do anything drastic, okay? Just because I lost weight suddenly, like really like 2.2 pounds, maybe even more than that. Like I really cannot remember how much I weighed yesterday, but it's somewhere around this range. I think like it's like 2.2 pounds or like a little bit more. I still will not be doing anything drastic, okay? I'm not gonna go and like eat like extra calories just because I suddenly lost weight and it was like a little bit too fast, okay? So I'm not changing anything. I'm still doing my additional 20 to 30 minute walking cardio, and then my calories will also stay the same. Oh, by the way, I think I misspoke in the morning, because at first I was thinking it was pull day. So I think, I'm not sure, I'm not 100% sure, maybe I corrected myself, you know me, like how my morning me is. So I might have said 2,500 calories for today, but it is not correct. 2,500 is for pull days, so 2,600 for leg day, and today was a leg day, so it is 2,600 calories for today, which, you know, 100 calories more, baby. So, but tomorrow it's gonna be pull day, so it's gonna be 2,500 calories, right? So everything is going really good. My energy levels, I think, as you can see, are like on point. My libido is fine. My mood is completely fine, so there is nothing wrong with anything at all. Therefore, I'm gonna continue the way I find proper, and I believe that I'm making the right decision with, you know, what I've decided yesterday, basically. So we are still going hard, we are still making improvements, okay? And we are gonna get to where we wanna be within this 6-week challenge, all right? I mean, to be honest, like if it continues to be like going really good, like maybe by the week 5, I will get to the point where I wanna be, but we'll see. And also, as you know, I mean, like I'm not trying to get like absolutely shredded, okay? Like today, even like people at the gym, like I haven't seen my friends, like some of them, for like maybe 10 days. They went to a trip. So I saw them today earlier at the gym, and then literally the first thing they said, "What happened to your face?" I'm like, "What do you mean?" And they're like, "It got smaller." Like, I don't know, did it? Like, I'm not sure. So, but that was the feedback that I received. So I don't know. You guys let me know in comments, okay? That's pretty much it for today. I also recorded an abs video. I still haven't decided because I need to see the video itself, whether I want to publish it as separate or like within this one, because I don't want to keep these like too long because people don't watch these. So I might do the abs video like separate, okay? So that more people can actually go and watch it, okay? Because if I put it here, I think in this like day 23, first of all, it's not going to be related to a lot of people. Second of all, I think most people who might want to watch the abs video, even they're not even gonna go and watch it, okay? So I will most likely publish it like separately. All right, guys, but as I promised, I did make the video. So that's it for today. I will see you guys tomorrow on pull day. Oh, and of course, comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. All right, and share. So take care, guys.